Hello student, welcome. Today in this class we are going to discuss our new chapter, that is chapter number 15, some natural phenomena. Student, recall your study of class 7th. You have already learned some natural phenomena, that is winds, storm and cyclone, and you should also know they are very destructive and they cause a lot of damage of human as well as their property. So student, in this class, first of all we have to discuss what is a lightning. Student, you have often observed the cracking or sparking of electricity light, that is when electric wires lose and wind flow, it will spark and make light and cracking sound. So students, generally lighting is a phenomena which occurs in clouds due to discharge or accumulation of charge in the clouds. It means when charge get discharged in between clouds, it will produce lightning, that is light and sound. That phenomena is called as lightning. So student, next one is charging by rubbing. First my question is how charge produces. So student, you should know that when plastic or glass stick will be rubbed on hair or any other material, it will get something that is called as charge. For example, I have this pen and if I rub it on my hair, it will get charge and attract small pieces of paper such as like this. Wait a minute. So student, I have rubbed this pen on my head with hair, so it has property to attract some small piece of paper like this way. Okay, you can also do this activity. Take a paper and make some small pieces, and you have to take your pen and rub on your head, then you will touch this small paper, then your pen will get charge when you rubbed it on your head, and it has tendency to attract some small pieces of paper like this, which I have done. Okay student, so now we have to move on. Types of charge. Charge can be two types, that is positive charge and negative charge. It is sign convention when we rub glass rod on silk, the charge which acquired by the glass rod is called as positive charge, and if we rub glass rod on any other material, that will get a negative charge. So student, charge will be of two type. First one is positive charge and second one is negative charge. So student, our next topic is interaction of charge, the tendency of charge to attract or repel, that is called as interaction of charge. Student, if you have like charge, that is positive or negative, they will repel to each other, that is called as repulsion force. They will feel repulsion force, and if you have two different charge such as positive or negative, they will repel to each other. Okay, that is called as, if you have like charge, they will repel to each other, and if you have unlike charge such as one is positive and other is negative, they will attract to each other. It means unlike charge attract to each other. Next topic is the story of lightning, that is how lightning is produced in our atmosphere. So student, you should know during the development of thunderstorm, the air current move to upward direction, while as the rain droplets will move to downward direction. This will cause the separation of charges of negative and positive. From the some height above to the earth, there will be positive charge, and at the top also there will be positive charge. In between positive charge there will exist negative charge, and when the concentration of positive and negative charge will be very high, they will strike to each other and produce simply light and sound, which is called as lightning, which is called as lightning. In this process, in between clouds there will exist air which resists the flow of electricity, but when the charges will exceed from a amount, that is when the concentration of these positive and negative charge will be very high, then they will collide to each other or strike to each other and form light and sound, that is called as lightning. The combining of positive and negative charge is called as discharge or simply electric discharge. So student, it is a natural phenomena which cause a large of damage because it has a large amount of energy. Since lightning cause a lot of damage, so student, you have to take some precautions to avoid any cause of damage. First one is finding safe place. You have to find safe place in the lightning. Don't go to outside, stay inside the house. Lightning conductors, you have to use lightning conductor on your roof so that if anyhow lightning will falls on your house, then it will goes through earth and becomes neutral. Now student, you should try to solve some question answer of this chapter related to this topic. Okay, thank you.